Which one was this? Okay, here we go. Oops. Lots of people have been asking me to put a picture of these on Instagram. I agree with you people. Beautiful shoe. I've just been really busy. But it's Sunday, so I actually have some free time. This should do, right? This is not a vlog. I mean technically it's still a vlog. I mean, I'm still talking to you guys and it's YouTube and I'm doing my thing, but this is not the regular level of vlog that you've come to expect. So if you do not enjoy today, I completely understand. I spent the first half of the day dealing with some stuff I needed to do downtown, which is great. Got all of that sorted out. Not that there's anything to sort out, but I did all of that. And I've just been feeling a little bit under the weather. Not really sick per se, but just a little bit tired. I know all you guys say I need to sleep more. Honestly, I think the reason for that is this winter I have developed like some weird eczema under my eyes that makes my eyes super red. It's on my eyelids too, so I look tired all the time when in reality it's just eczema. So, I mean, I get at least 8 hours of sleep every single day, so I think I'm good there. Anyway, I was busy, not feeling the greatest, but I still wanted to get out and do some stuff because I love getting out, doing stuff, and bringing you guys with me. So we are downtown. We are going to go to Livestock. There is the Tinker Hatfield Jordan 3s and there is the Game Royal Jordan 1s that come out this weekend. I want to buy both of them and I want to see if they're doing raffles for them. Alright, here's the word. Tinker Jordan 3s, they are getting them. They're doing a raffle. The white and blue Game Royal, Sport Royal, Alternate Chicago, I don't know what they're called. They are getting them. They're not sure if they're doing raffle or first come first serve yet. Hopefully first come first serve. In other news, someone smashed the glass door there yesterday, so that's what that noise is. I ordered a pair of shoes. Yeah, I mean, what else is new? This is probably why I shouldn't impulse buy stuff online, or why I just shouldn't even shop online unless I know exactly what I want to get. Because I was just cruising around some sites, some online boutiques, and I saw this pair of shoes, and I was like, hey, I don't have this pair of shoes yet, and I really want this pair of shoes, so I think I'm probably going to purchase this pair of shoes. On a side note, look at how like swervy or bent or bowing, I don't know what word I'm looking for, that Ultra Boost stack is just like leaning all the way out and coming all, that thing's probably gonna fall over soon. I should probably straighten that up. Much better. Okay, shoes. I've been waiting a long time to get these. I've just been waiting for the right opportunity to buy them. I wanted to complete a pack of sneakers that I've been missing one of for a long time. These sold out on release day. And they popped back up on a website and I was like, screw it, let's freaking buy these things. I mean, it's retail and I have the other 3 colorways. Okay. Here we go. Mike, Nike, Gatorade, towel. I now have like 6 of these towels, so I don't know, maybe one of you guys win a towel on Instagram. I don't know. Follow me, we'll see what I... Come on. Hold up. Gonna get this freaking towel off my head. I look like an idiot first. I am either an idiot or someone sent me the wrong pair of shoes here. Both are probably true. I need to find my order. They sent me the wrong pair of shoes. This is really dumb. How do you do this? How do you do this? I mean, like, these are nice and I love them, but the biggest problem here is I already own these and they're sitting right there behind that stack of shoes. I ordered the green ones, the lime ones, the electro lime. I don't know what they're called. I don't really drink Gatorade. It's just lime. Why are these ones not lime? I don't understand. They must have sent the wrong pair of shoes. I ordered these from like a little boutique in Canada, like not a big chain, and they just had a size 12 on the site when I was browsing. And I was like, holy crap, these things sold out like 4 months ago. I'm gonna buy this. This is not green. This is definitely not, I'm about 97% sure this is not green. Well, I guess, I mean, I'm returning these, and maybe they still have a size 12 left? Maybe? And they can send that out instead? That's really frustrating. Oh, whatever. What can you do? You know when you're looking forward to something and like you just can't wait for it to come into the mail and you're like, yeah, it's gonna be here on Yeah, it's gonna be here on Friday. Yeah, it's gonna be. This showed up, and I was that feeling, and now I'm not that feeling anymore because they sent the wrong color. Honest mistake, probably an honest mistake. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe it wasn't an honest mistake, and they're just out to get me. I seriously doubt that that's the case. But I wanted the green ones. I don't need 2 pairs of the orange ones, and there's probably gonna be like 20 people that message me, hey Tom, can I buy these from? No, I'm just gonna return them to the site, and hopefully they can send me the green ones. I'm sort of disappointed by that. I really wanted the green ones, and I mean, I'll probably end up getting them down the road. They're probably my 3rd favorite. I like these ones. These are my favorite, which is why I already have them. And then the blue ones, and then the green ones. And then the purple ones are cool, I guess. That's really frustrating. That's honestly really frustrating. Like, I waited 8 days or like 9 days. It was long. It took a long time to ship these out here. And then unfortunately, they send me the wrong pair of sneakers. Why do I always drop shoes?